You think that you only see this, your being or your body doing things, and you think that you do those things. You see this body taking decisions or having to take decisions, and you think that it is you who have to make some decisions, make a change. But you're pure consciousness, you are the one that sees, you are the seer. And the decision will be taken by itself, by this life. You cannot change anything. This is also one of the things that I see and understand more and more. I see that there is nothing I can do. Me, yes, I don't know. I just let things happen. If I try to do something on my own, it just never goes the way I wanted it to happen. I would make a plan, but life would come and would just break it all down. And even now I'm giving meditation classes. I'm giving meditation classes here. And I see that for the first classes I had prepared myself. I thought that we will do this kind of meditation and this, but it just doesn't go that way. For example, I prepared to give a class of meditation starting with observing the candle light, like kind of concentration, because people coming here to meditate, they're not maybe advanced meditators, maybe it's their first meditation, you know. So I would like to give something simple, and I thought, okay, this candle, you know. And I come for the first fucking meditation, and here I realize that so much wind, because there are no windows here, that it is impossible, you know. It's going to be taken off with this candle. So I had to give like spontaneous class of meditation, and it went very well, as in the same way as others. For the second class I also tried to prepare myself, and when the time came, when people came, I just felt that no, that this type of meditation I was preparing for, it just will not work, you know. Like these people are completely different energy, they need different kind of meditation, different kind of treatment. So again, spontaneously I had to do something, and it went very well. Or I would prepare myself for meditation classes, and I would prepare and prepare and prepare, you know, because I want to give the best meditation class. And I would come here, and nobody would come to my meditation class. So I'd be like sitting alone and thinking, wow, I was preparing for such a long time, you know. So now I just let things happen spontaneously, those meditation classes. You know, I let everything happen by itself. But I was taking those meditation classes like a sort of big responsibility, because it is something that is very important. So I was thinking that I have to take it as my own responsibility and make this meditation perfect, make people happy. But I see that you can't change anything. Everything depends on life. I was preparing for this meditation and nobody was coming. Or I can give the best meditation class ever, but people will not feel anything, because each person is different. And maybe one day you feel like this, another day you will feel like that. And for one person, this meditation would be like just perfect, so beautiful, and they may have realizations and they may see something real. And another person in this very meditation class, just like, I was completely bored, you know. So me, I'm learning, or life shows me that there's nothing that I can do as me, as ego, as personality. Everything comes the way it has to be.